Hello! In this lesson, I will be teaching you about the star power shape, where to find it, how to resize it, and general information about the nodes and points. Let's begin. First, I'm going to draw out a star. It can be found over here on the left side in the Power Shapes drop-down menu. Just click the star and then hold down the left mouse button on the page and drag your mouse to draw the shape out to the size you like. Once your star is drawn out, click back to the Pick tool to start transforming it. To move the star around, click on it and you will see a selection handle in the center of the star. Click and hold this down and move your mouse and the star will move as well. To stretch it vertically, use the top or bottom nodes like this. And for horizontal stretching, use the left and right nodes. To rotate the star, use the top right rotate tool. And to resize proportionally, use the corner nodes. There are two more nodes for the star shape: the inner border node, which adjusts the distance from the inner edge of the star to its center. And then there is the radius node, which adjusts the distance from the outer edge of the star to its center. You can also adjust the roundness of the corners. There's the corner radius, which affects the roundness of all the corners. And the inner radius, which affects the roundness of the inner edges. You can also add or subtract points from the star up here in the top toolbar. And you can change how blunt or how sharp these points are. This concludes today's lesson on the star power shape. For a more in-depth tutorial on this topic, please look at the more advanced power shape tutorials. Thank you and stay tuned for more.